Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about ng container. So what is ng container? ng container, we can say it's like a logical container and it does not render at our HTML. So in which scenario we can use this? Let me explain you with one example. Suppose I have one array, let me say items and maybe array of string, and let me add some value in this, maybe a, b, c and d. And now I'm going to display this value in our view. So let me come to our app component.html, and here I'm going to use ng for to loop through that array. So ng for, and here and I'm going to use this expression, and let me add this expression. So now I can see this, all these four values are displayed. But suppose I want to add one condition and I want to skip this second value. I don't want to display this b. Then what can I do? Yes, correct. I can use that ng if directive. So let me come to our HTML. So to add that directive, I need some wrapper, right? So let's say I will add one span tag, and let me wrap this expression under that span, and then I can add a condition like ng if item not equals to, let's say, b. And now if I will see my value, let's wait to load it. I'm getting some error ng if. Okay, so this f should be small letter. Let me fix this. And now I can see this, I'm getting A, C and D. I'm not getting B. But the thing is, to get this condition, we have added one extra span tag, right, to add this span condition. Now I have one extra layer for my text. Earlier it was showing without this span tag, but now to add that if condition, I am adding this span tag. So if I don't want to keep this, and directly if I want to add the condition, then what should I do? Yes, exactly. In this scenario, we can go for ng container, which is a logical grouping and it does not render on our HTML. So now let's quickly replace this span tag with the ng container, and now still I'm seeing A, C and D, but this time if I will observe my source, so I don't have any wrapper around my text. It is directly coming. So I hope you are able to understand why we used ng container. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.